Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tugas kali ini bahasa Inggris tentang membaca sebuah jurnal ekonomi. Kali ini saya akan membacakan jurnal ekonomi tentang political economy. Journal of Political Economy operates as an interpretation of one page only of guidance by one agency only is the static or the hedonistic piece of guidance by individual entities. For this is the only piece of guidance which fall within the requirement of a theory of equilibrium to the economic problem of a century ago. This piece of guidance was supremely relevant, but for the problem of today, it is the other piece of guidance that claim attention, if only because their principles are so little formulated and so completely unique. It needs no proof that such a study is vital to our net today, when new and socially from of guidance hold the center of the stake. What my net proving is that it is but the logical contention of the some study in which the marginal utility theory of value represent a wise station. It is the form into which the utility theory necessarily evolves in achieving veritable meaning and a fuller measure of truth. The only way in which the economy can keep his students from duplicating the psychology work is by taking his psychology from those who have specialists in that field, to rely on the mere face of choice, regardless of the kind of motivation behind it, might seem to take economy out of all dependence on psychology, but it does not really do so, except at the cost of becoming utterly meaningless. The economy might attempt to ignore psychology, but it is a sheer impossibility from him to ignore human nature, for his science is a science of human behavior, and any conception of human nature that he might adopt is a method of psychology and enemy, and any conception of human behavior that the might adopt involves psychology assumption. Whether this be experienced or not. If the economist Brown his caption of man from the psychology he is constructive work might have some chance of remaining prolific economy and character, but if the does not, he will not be avoid psychology, rather he will force himself to make his own, and it will be bad psychology. Imputing economic hypothesis to the test of psychology much was mentioned might be avoided by adopting the principle that the real meaning of a hypothesis lies in the different why things must happen if it is true, as contrasted with the why they would happen if it were false. A hypothesis capable of fitting any state of facts is one on which no prediction can be based. It is as true and means as much as the statement that wheat is white of the is short in the assumption that men seek their interest in process for consumption. Looking for information, one would be utterly at a loss to devise means of putting the statement to the test, especially when told that the consumer's purchase is itself the evidence from which to infer what his interest is, and that men's interests are continually changing. Some phase of the study of human nature remain be which are of no direct use to the economy for all present purpose. We need not take up the tailored study of particular instance and disposition, nor the greater part of social psychology being conquered first and forms with the general theory of individual distress. Even the study of the social origin of one does not seem to be universally recognized as belonging the economic study of value. Quite true, but what of it? My reaction we begin by talking once as we find them and or those strings are drawn up on that basis. Hence one is as good as another in our age. In that it is only the impartial attitude that makes economy possible as descent from ethics, or those tenets traces back to their basis in finished ones, so to speak, but no further, and hence they cannot be destroyed by new student of the origin of research, interesting as they may be. Sekian pembacaan jurnal dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.